If you are the parent of a student and would like to take advantage of the Federal Parent Plus loan, you may do so by applying on studentaid.gov. If you have already created an FSA ID, you will click on the login. If you are not listed on the FAFSA and you don't have an FSA ID, you will have to create an account. Go to the login, type in your email or your username. You will then type in your password. You will get a code either by phone or to your email. Read the information and click on Accept. A dashboard may come up if you have had previous loans or grants through the federal government. There are different ways you can get to the Parent Plus loan application and MPN. You can go under Grants and Loans, and you can apply for the Plus loan, Graduate Plus, and Parent Plus. Also, the MPN is located right here. You can also scroll down to the checklist. You want to click on I'm a Parent. You can apply for a Parent Plus loan and do the master promissory note right here from the checklist. To apply for a Parent Plus loan, your instructions will come up here. There are things you should know. If you have a hold on your credit, you need to take that hold off. You will then complete the master promissory note if you are approved. You will want to click on I am a parent and an undergraduate student, and you will click on Start. You will follow that and fill out a quick application. You will find out immediately if you are approved for the Parent Plus loan. If you are, then you will then continue to do the MPN. If that does not pop up for you, remember you can go up here under Grants and Loans and you can click on the MPN here. Just remember to always say you are the parent of an undergraduate student. You do not want to fill out the student MPN. If you have any questions or want line-by-line instructions, you may contact our office and we can send those to you.